Darling solve it. He knows how to do it, even if you're just making it worse, darling.
He came home from school yesterday, and he had it solved.
Did you bring it to school?
Kid in his class showed him how to do it, and then last night he kept undoing it and redoing it. And he does these tricks where what he's doing right now, where he puts the color in the center different. Right, bud? Hey, wait for me! Oh, look at the lineup. Oh, wow. That sucks. Welcome to the Blue Canoe, where you gotta stand in line. Alright, you have to try to resolve it again after Lorry-Jane mixed it all up. How nice of your big sister. That's what you're doing while you wait, my dear?
I'm sick, it's cold.
Well, I'll cuddle you. You want me to cuddle you?
That's not enough.
What's that? Seafood, fresh catch. Yeah.
Go get Dolly's jacket.
What's your score? 18,000?
Yeah.
I hate you. I barely can get 1,000.
You can't beat that.
Thank you, Dolly. Rubik's Cube. I'm going to the big stop because I like air miles. Get air miles when you use your MasterCard. This is not a paid promotion. I like that deal. $1 with the purchase of a coffee. And you get to have all that. You think that's true? You get to have 2 cookies and a chocolate chip muffin?
The cookies like this one. No, I'm just kidding.
It's always a catch. Standing out in the cold, waiting in line to get into the restaurant. Have some truck driver food. For Lorry-Jane's birthday. Oh, finally we got inside. Yeah, we're going into the restaurant, Dally. The Blue Canoe. Look at that, there's a blue canoe hanging off of the ceiling. There's a map of New Brunswick. Hey, honey.
You can see seafood platter na. Saan? Yung design ng roast turkey. It's just hard.
What you have to do is hit the red button. This is what I call truck driver's food. Purely truck driver food. With the exception of Lorry-Jane's. Hers is more like gourmet deluxe. Quite possibly something that resembles street food from the Philippines. Maybe.
I'm not taking.
Not side. You gotta do it horizontal here.
What's yours?
Breakfast time at 7 o'clock at night. It's the best. Peanut butter and jam toast. Dolly, what are you having, bud? You having no?
Just
It's caught in your ear.
Are you done?
Steak and eggs for me. It's the best. 6-ounce steak. Eggs, toast, hash browns. I can't even pronounce what Lorry-Jane's got. Teriyaki, chicken something. The thing I really like having the most is a little bit of hash browns with my ketchup. Yep. Even the steak. What do you think, Downey? Everyone's happy. We all had our truck driver food, and we're full. Now it's nighttime. Making a video. So it's time to go home. Just one thing left to do. Pay for it. It's gonna be my treat this time. You paid for the entertainment, so I pay for the food. Okay, we're all done our birthday supper tonight at the big stop, the Irving big stop. Now it's time to drive home. So long. Let's go, everyone. I think we go this way. Look at all the trucks up on the shelf. Bye bye, big step. Don't forget to sanitize for sanitize. Sanitize for VD, short for COVID. Watch out for the moose, because we are in moose country, big time. The national flag. Okay, this is the time of the night that the yahoos start coming out. Here they go. Friday night, beer night. These guys come right out of the woodwork. Glad I'm getting out of here now before it gets too rowdy. aboard, everybody. Let's go. One in Fredericton. When you go back to school tomorrow, they might ask you to write an essay on where you had Thanksgiving dinner.
3 places.
You can tell them 3 places.
And then you have a lot of writing them.
And I'm still hungry.
I want more chips.
You want more chips?
Say please. Jordan. Jordan, you want to mix some juice in your cup?
Orange.
Don't hit it though.
And then
It will sting you.
no.